Hey guys, so this is a quick update or really in addition to the previous video that I had for Prius Prime and the Prius for SmartDSU installation. After some more experience with this, I found that sort of a better position is still in this general area, but instead of shoving it in the way that I had before, I recommend first getting this plug out of here and in this sort of general position, and then get SmartDSU in this position. And then let me just connect it real quick. I'm going to put my phone down. Okay, so you can see it's connected, and I recommend putting it like this. Okay, so you can see the RJ45 port here. If you have a ZSS, this is the perfect time to connect it. So just go like that. Okay, and it'll just shove in there like that. And then the cable's here. And it's just a matter of connecting it here. Except make sure you put it in the right way. The right way is actually this way, because it's got the little tab here, so it would be pretty hard to get to it if you had it reversed. So that's how it goes. So I don't have it zip tied or anything. It's really held in place pretty good by friction, even without a rubber band. Thanks for watching.